Exceeding clients' expectations, it doesn't have to be as difficult as you may think. And in this video, I'm going to share with you a couple of examples where I have done this with interior design clients and how it's really easy that you can do it as well as a gentleman who did it for me. I received an email from him, and almost instantly I was sold on hiring his services. So I'm going to talk a little bit about that in the blog. Before we dive into that though, make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the red button below, hit the subscribe button, and if you hit the little bell, then you're going to get the notifications to know when I send out new videos, as well as I have a design and packages and rate sheet that you can get for free. It's a download that's going to help you in your interior design business. If you don't already have it, go and grab it. I'll put links to that in the description below. So now let's get to the video, and I'm going to show you exactly how you can do this, make it easy, and you know what? Land those clients, get those clients. Hi there, Sharon. I just wanted to say it was really lovely speaking to you this morning, and I wanted to send you this quick video so I could just show you a little bit more about what we do and how we can help. And if you have any questions, by all means, either email me or we can set up another time to call. So I just want to show you here a few things. There's going to be some links in this email as well, so feel free to go and have a look at those to find out a little bit more. But here I just wanted to show you first, this is an idea of what our renderings look like. So we do these 3D designs, and clients really love it because, as you can see, when we're doing custom rooms, you can see I can upload the fabric, we can upload artwork, we can upload the paint colors, you know, all the details that we need to in order to show it as realistic as it can be, so there's no second guessing for you in terms of what it's going to look like when the project is done. Same here with this living room here as well. And you know, so again, I uploaded the drapery, and really, you know, it's really easy to be able to see what it's going to look like, to fall in love with it, and then be really confident in the job that we've done and how we're going to put it together for you. So again, no second guessing. It's also really great in renovations. So this was a kitchen design that we did on a main floor. We actually did the part of the other main floor as part of the main floor as well, sorry. And you know, it's the contractor has less change orders to do, which means that's going to save you money, and as well as save everybody time, which is also great because again, when you can see it, you're not really coming home and going, oh, I didn't realize that was going to look like that. Stop the job. I need to talk to the contractor, because you'll have already seen it in the plan. Okay, there's another custom built-in design. So again, we design these, and then the contractor can take them, the millwork, and they can go and they can, you know, replicate what we've done. And we can sit in on conversations like that as well. So sometimes we just do the 3D design for people, and you want us to, you know, really figure out the concept of the space, how things can fit in the space. And other times then what we'll do is we'll also go and, you know, source all the items, furnitures, this sort of room here that we did that. And as well help you source the countertops, backsplashes, paint color, because all of those, you make one mistake and the whole, you know, project is compromised, and that's never ever good. So here's a bedroom here that we did, so you kind of get the idea. There's the rendering, there's the final look. So it's not perfect, but it gives a really good indication of what it's going to look like. And here's a dining room that we did as well. Sometimes things can change, so we just decided while we were there that it was better to sit a couple of pieces of art up here. So sometimes things get tweaked a little bit, but nothing to the extent that you're going to be panicking when you come home and seeing, you know, the work done after the contractors have been there. So, and then here's just a different program that we use. That was a laundry room. And here's a bird's eye view. So you get to see the bird's eye view. And what we'll do as well is we'll dimension everything out for you. If you need that as well, that's really helpful for the contractors. If you want to go shopping with our plans, and that's the plan that you purchased from us, you know, maybe we're not necessarily picking the finishes, but we're helping you lay out the space, and we would measure all of these for you, so you know what size rug to get, what size coffee table, you know, because these things cost money, and you know, we don't want to be, you know, spending money and thinking something that we're buying is a bargain if it doesn't fit in the space and it doesn't work with what we've got. So there's just a different view of that. And I just want to flip you over quickly. Sorry, my phone's going. Just want to show you quickly. I'm going to link you to this. So this is a main floor redesign that we did for a client. So you can see this is like a CAD drawing that we do. We give you and your contractor the final once we do the revisions of this here. And then you can see we actually walk people through the space. So this we would do for you in the presentation meeting. And then we would also give you a hard copy of the PowerPoint to refer to as well. Popping back here, I just want to let you know a couple of the other services that we provide. Let me just turn this down before we get interrupted again. Apologies for that. And so we can also help you choose finishes. So again, whether it's going through with a custom bedroom design like we did for clients here, or if you want us to help pick your bathroom and kitchen finishes. So sometimes, we do the concept design, as I said, and then you want us to help you pick, your tiles, your backsplash, your fireplace tile, your flooring. So we do all that. We tend to go to our supplier, our local supplier, and set everything up for you. As you can see, we got the large paint boards. Sometimes I have your plan opened up if I've done the plan for you. And, you can decide. Usually we give you 2 options of what you can do. And again, it just makes it really easy. And then the supplier, you purchase it directly from them, or your contractor purchases it. And we just ask that we get paid for our time inspecting it all for you to make sure that it runs very smoothly and that everything is going to flow together as it should. So again, we have our large paint boards. These are so valuable. So even if you're looking simply for a color consultation at this point, we can definitely help with that. We bring the large paint chips. I have over 100. Rather than looking at those teeny tiny chips, because you're going to be, consuming all of your wall, and you don't want to be relying on that little, 1 inch by 2 inch chip for that. And mine are also painted boards as well. And finally, I just want to show you here, we do mood boards sometimes for our clients. And so that just shows you the furniture, the fabrics, what we're suggesting. And then you can see here, this was actually a client's home. They already had the red and the fireplace painted, but we got new chairs, the fabrics, the coffee table, and we were able to mix and match. So we're flexible as well. So I hope that helps give you a little bit more information about how we can help. And I would love to help you with your project. Please feel free to give us a call or to email me. And I hope to talk to you very soon. Thanks so much, and take care. Okay, so you saw how easy that video was. I mean, I made that, it said less than 6 minutes I made the video. This video now I popped on and I thought, you know what? I should have my makeup done. I should have my lipstick on, and I could have been a little bit more prepared. But you know what? If you overthink things all the time, you're not going to deliver, and it's not going to happen. So I wanted to be real here and show you how authentic. People appreciate when you're authentic. So just go ahead, hit the video, hit the record on that. But see, now I'm making mistakes. I'm not even going to edit this. Just hit the button and, show clients something similar. What can you do? Personalize it and, knock their socks off. Land that client and get more projects. If you are not sure about video, then please, I do have a Video for Profits course. It's an amazing course. It's got so much information that it's going to help you if you want to make more videos. But again, if you just want to hit the button and just all that I ask is don't overthink it. If that means it's going to stop you from doing video, then just hit the button and do it. And in the meantime, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the red button below. And I'm here, every other week. And I'd like to see you give me a thumbs up if you like it. If you don't like it, go ahead, give me a thumbs down. Why didn't you like it? Comment below and let me know if this is something that you're going to start doing for your clients. I'm Claire Jefford. I'll see you next time.